The supplies needed are 2 cinder blocks, 2 8-foot landscape timbers, and 2 8-foot 2x4s cut in half. Lay your cinder blocks about 7.5 feet apart, which would then make the outside of your blocks approximately 8 feet apart. Then you take 2 8-foot 2x4s, cut them in half, and it will give you 4 4-foot 2x4s to angle in the concrete blocks or cinder blocks to form this angle. As you can see, I'm starting to build my platform for my wood. Unfortunately, when I initially started cutting my trees down, I literally cut them basically too short for the landscape timber, the gap between the two. So I came back in with some of my smaller branches to form a platform to where the bigger stuff will actually be able to sit without falling in between. So as I continue to cut more trees down, I'll still lengthen them, but it doesn't really matter. But I like to try to keep it as uniform as possible. With this wood stacked on this end, you can kind of see that it's pretty sturdy. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. And then as I continue to build up, it will again continue to put more pressure on the 2x4s and lock them in even tighter.